How to fix Spotify download error on Spotify. Today guys, I have to show you and I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Wait. And when you open a setting of your phone, go directly to apps. Here you will find all the application that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Spotify. When you found it, just open it and go to storage option and go to the last button, clear data. Go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last thing is going to Play Store and updating your Spotify again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.